Rohit Vemula was a young boy who had certain values which he cherished to follow. As a PhD research scholar, he was a diligent boy with dreams in his eyes. He would have turned 27 on 30th January, but now his family will spend their time mourning on his birthday. Even as politicians make a beeline for the Hyderabad Central University, students continue to agitate not just the death but also the suspension of 5 students from the hostel. And Anais brings you this special report as protests are seen nationwide on the suicide. Is it just about a Dalit boy's death or is there more to it? Will only come out after a probe. Rohit Vemula's suicide note speaks volumes about the person he was. He had dreams, he wanted to reach the stars. Moreover, he wanted to be the change and contribute in a more productive way to society. In a moving suicide note, he writes,
I loved science, stars, nature, but then I loved people without knowing that people have long since divorced from nature. It has become truly difficult to love without getting hurt. The value of a man was reduced to his immediate identity and nearest possibility, to a vote, to a number, to a thing. Never was a man treated as a mind. My birth is my fatal accident. If you, who is reading this letter, can do anything for me, I have to get 7 months of my fellowship, 1,75,000 rupees. Please see to it that my family is paid that. I have to give some 40,000 to Ramji. He never asked them back, but please pay that to him from that. Let my funeral be silent and smooth. Behave like I just appeared and gone. Do not shed tears for me.
In the last week, 5 Dalit students were expelled from Hyderabad Central University. It was done on an account that a AVBP leader had filed a complaint on their name. It is to be remembered that the AVBP is a student wing of the RSS. Reacting on that complaint, the Hyderabad Central University expelled the 5 of them, one of which has committed suicide. We believe that it is not a suicide, rather a murder. We demand that the MHRD should immediately take action on this and punish all those who are guilty, along with the AVBP guy, the Hyderabad University administration, and the MHRD too has to react on this.
The suicide of Vemula, a research student at the University of Hyderabad, has triggered nationwide outrage with 2 central ministers, Smriti Irani and Bandaru Dattatreya, facing allegations that pressure exerted by them may have pushed the Dalit scholar into taking his own life.
It's a almost established fact that the Dalit students who were doing PhD, they were research scholars, they were specially targeted because they belong to scheduled caste. They are targeted by ABVP, which is the student wing of the Bharatiya Janata Party or RSS. And even after they were cleared of all the charges by proctorial board decision, even after that there was a U-turn. A new vice chancellor in the meantime takes over, and he is sent by the HRD ministry because that is a central ministry, and there is a complete U-turn. On the same facts, the students were exonerated. On the same facts, they were found guilty and suspended.
The National Commission for Scheduled Caste expressed its disappointment on Tuesday with the pace of a probe into the suicide of Dalit research scholar Rohit Vemula in Hyderabad that has snowballed into a massive political controversy. Police have booked Bandaru Dattatreya, Vice Chancellor Appar Rao, and 2 members of the right-wing Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad for abetment of suicide by 26-year-old Vemula, who was among 5 research scholars suspended by the university and also an accused in a case of assault on a student leader.
We were protesting against this suicide, which should not be said suicide. In fact, he was made to do suicide by the academics of the Hyderabad University. You must be knowing that the Ambedkar Students Union of Hyderabad University were involved in the protest against beef ban and also involved against the protest at Muzaffarnagar Danga riots, you must be knowing. And due to their protest, the ABVP students attacked them and even assaulted them in various ways, twice or thrice. And finally, when they were against the beef ban, they protested against the beef ban. The center, the ministers of the center directed the HRD, Human Resource Department, to send a notice to the administration of the Hyderabad University to expel or rustigate those students. And it is a shock to all students that on the recommendation or direction of the center, the Hyderabad University administrator in reality expelled those 5 students which belong to the Dalit community.
Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi visited University of Hyderabad yesterday and trained guns at the HRD minister and called for the ouster of the Vice Chancellor. Even MIM MP Asauddin Owaisi is believed to have reached out to the parents of the deceased. Opposition parties attacked the ruling BJP.
There are certain people who are responsible for this boy's death. The Vice Chancellor is among them, the Minister is among them, and the people that have applied pressure on this boy for expressing his ideas, his thoughts are among them.
On Tuesday, there were massive student protests in cities like Mumbai, Chennai, Pune and Delhi. In Hyderabad, students protesters have demanded that the suspension be cancelled. Angry students chanted "Go back" to the 2 officers of the Human Resource Development Ministry who had come to investigate the death.
नहीं, उसकी जांच होनी चाहिए कि ऐसा कैसे हुआ है। बड़ी दुखद बात है, पूरे समाज के लिए शर्म की बात।
Because they are Dalits, they are being discriminated, they are driven to such circumstances, situations in which they commit suicide. It is a very serious thing, and Hyderabad Central University has become an issue now, and there must be thorough probe, and there must be actions, strong actions against those ABVP activists who created such a situation in which that Dalit scholar had to commit suicide. And there are FIRs filed against Vice Chancellor and even one union minister. These are all very serious things, and after this FIR, there must be action against that Vice Chancellor. He must be booked, and the minister's position as minister has become untenable because he is facing an FIR. How he can continue to be minister, that is also another issue.
BJP in its nature is anti-Dalit and anti-minority. A boy has committed suicide after the way he was treated by the university, and the name of a senior minister is involved in this. He has written a letter. So our demand is that Bandaru Dattatreya should not only be sacked from the ministry, but he should also be arrested under SC/ST Act. The Smriti Irani's name has also figured, so his role should be investigated, and an independent judicial commission should be appointed for a neutral and independent inquiry.
This is the most cowardice act of the authorities, the Vice Chancellor, the Minister concerned Dattatreya, and the HRD Minister Smriti Irani. It is a clash of the civilization. This is the clash of the 2 views. This is the case of the atrocities on the Dalit youth. We strongly condemn it. Prime Minister must ask to resign from Srimati Smita Irani and Dattatreya.
Protesters linked the action to a letter that Dattatreya had written to Education Minister Smriti Irani, alleging that the university had become a den of casteist, extremists and anti-national politics. After Dattatreya's letter, 4 letters went to the university from Smriti Irani's Human Resource Development Ministry asking what action had been taken.
केस का जो है गंभीरता से लिया जाए और उसकी जांच की जाए.
After Rahul Gandhi's visit, leaders of the Trinamool Congress visited the Hyderabad University campus late in the night, and Mayawati's BSP are expected to visit the Hyderabad University soon. Poet Ashok Vajpayee, meanwhile, has returned his D.Lit degree awarded to him by Hyderabad University in protest against circumstances leading to the PhD scholar Rohit Vemula's suicide. Vajpayee had earlier returned Sahitya Academy Award in protest against the murder of renowned writer M.M. Kalburgi in 2015.
आज हम डिमांड करते हैं कि दोनों केंद्रीय मंत्री हैं और जो भी इसमें चाहे एमएलए हैं चाहे एक्टिविस्ट हैं, सबको उनके खिलाफ इंक्वायरी होनी चाहिए। ना केवल इंक्वायरी हो, इनके खिलाफ सख्त से सख्त कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए और खुद प्रधानमंत्री को ये देखकर अपने मंत्रियों के खिलाफ, अपनी पार्टी के लोगों के खिलाफ सख्त से सख्त एक्शन लेना चाहिए। क्या कारण है कि जब भी इस तरह की बात होती है, वारदात होती हैं, प्रधानमंत्री मौन व्रत धारण कर लेते हैं, कुछ नहीं बोलते।
What is the answer from the Prime Minister, Ms. Modi? And Ms. Modi has been talking about good governance and maximum governance. What is this happening in central universities? And what is government is doing? Because these central universities are not so-called autonomous universities. They are taking funds from union government. They are all funded, public funded institutions. And they have an accountability and answerability to the people.
Reportedly, we learned from reliable sources that from July, the university stopped paying Rohit his monthly stipend by Rs 25,000, with friends alleging that he was targeted for raising issues under the banner of Ambedkar Students Association. On August 5, the university set up an inquiry against Rohit and 4 other ASA members. 2 days after they allegedly assaulted ABVP leader N. Sushil Kumar, after a series of flip-flops, the 5 were suspended in September. On December 17, the decision was upheld. On January 3, the 5 moved out of their hostel rooms to a tent. They set up inside the campus and began a relay hunger protest.
यार किसी को आरोप लगाने की बात ही नहीं। वो भंडारू दत्तात्रेय साहब का चिट्ठी प्रधानमंत्री को कि इन छात्रों के ऊपर आप कुछ एक्शन ले, वो है, वो सामने आ चुका है। और उन्हीं के चलने के बाद वहाँ नए वाइस चांसलर का नियुक्ति हुई है उस यूनिवर्सिटी में। उनके ऊपर आपके शिक्षा मंत्रालय से उनके ऊपर दबाव पड़ा, उसके बाद ये एक्शन हुआ। वरना ये जो घटना थी अंबेडकर स्टूडेंट एसोसिएशन के बीच में और एबीवीपी के बीच में, इस घटने के बारे में यूनिवर्सिटी का खुद का एक जांच आयोग बैठा। उन्होंने अपने नतीजे पे पहुंचे। दोनों ग्रुपों के बीच में समझौता करवा के वो मामला निपट गया था। उस मामले को फिर से दोबारा खोल के ये जो रस्टिकेशन जो किया गया 5 दलित स्टूडेंटों का हॉस्टल से, वो था मुख्य कारण ये पूरे आंदोलन का।
It is clear that 5 of those Dalit students were victimized unnecessarily and suspended, and it was done under the pressure of the union minister, who's also a member of parliament from there, and the vice chancellor of the university is equally responsible for this, and we have demanded that action should be taken against them.
Powered by NNIS.